Did you know that the online clothing business is a multi-billion-year industry? With reaching $759 billion in 2022 and predictions it will reach over $1 trillion by 2025. In fact, an average online store owner in the United States earns $48,901 per year. That means there is a lot of potential in the online clothing business to cash in on and to use it as a side hustle to earn up to 5 figures and more. And the best part is that now anyone can start a successful clothing business by using AI to do all the things for them. And that's what we are going to cover in today's video. You are watching AI Money Magnets, the place where you learn how to make money using AI. In today's video, we will show you how you can start a successful clothing business using AI for free. We are going to cover everything from finding winning designs with low competition to analyzing data, and from using AI to generate high-quality designs to the most effective ways to sell your products. This video will work for you even if you're on a tight budget. So make sure to watch the video till the end to know about the practical techniques of your successful clothing business and to get the most out of it. First and foremost, you need to find designs that have the potential to sell, and you can't rely on your instincts or personal preferences alone. Your decision should be based on hard data and numbers, or else you'll end up wasting your time and money. So how do you find those designs? Well, there are many ways to go about it, but in this video, we're going to use Merch Informer, which is a great tool that includes pretty much everything you need to get started. Of course, you can use any other tool you like, but for the purposes of this tutorial, we'll stick to Merch Informer. Once you've started your free trial, you'll be taken to your dashboard. And as you can see on the left-hand side, there are many tools that we can use to find and analyze good selling designs. To find the winning products, let's start with the Movers and Shakers tool from the left toolbar. Movers and Shakers tell us about the BSR, which stands for Best Seller Rank. And if the product's bestseller rank is low, it means it's selling well. So all we have to do is to look for a design that's gone down the most. Such designs might be a current trend or about to go viral. Just take your time looking for designs you like, and be careful not to pick designs from trademark companies, like Disney for example, as we can't compete with them in high competition. So now here at Movers and Shakers, we have got different products that seem to fit our description, but that's not all. There is much to do. So in the next step, let's have a look at the Trend Tracker, which is right beneath the Movers and Shakers tool in the toolbar menu. The Trend Tracker tool will show you what designs are popular right now. So again, we will see a lot of designs, and you have to look for that one that has a consistent sales chart as well as a good BSR. So with these two indicators, you would be able to find something that is going to sell. Although there are many indicators and tools, these two are more than sufficient for beginners. So you don't need to be worried about them. Just take your time, be patient, and keep experimenting until you find the designs that work for you. And once you choose a specific design on the basis of these two indicators, then you can move on to the second step, which is to analyze the products and see if we can sell them or not. Alright, now that we have our design, it's time to check the phrase on the shirt to make sure we're not violating any copyright laws. It's pretty simple, just copy the main words and paste them into the Trademark Alerts tool in Merch Informer. Then click Save and check Trademarks. This will tell you if there are any copyright issues with your wording. If you get a green check mark, then you're good to go. You can use that phrase in your design without any problems. But if you get a red cross symbol, then you need to go back to step 1 and 2 and try different words or change the wording altogether. Now that we have a design with a copyright-free phrase, it's time to check our competition. The Competition Checker tool will tell you how many products have the same design and how many have a bestseller rank. On the right side, it will give you a score from A to F. A is the best score, followed by B, C, etc. But if you get an F, then it's better to move on and find another design. Scrolling down will show you the best sellers, where you can see the estimated sales of every seller. If the seller has around 15 to 20 estimated sales or a good BSR, then that product might be a good start for you too. Keep in mind that your goal is not to copy what other people have done, but to use this strategy to get ideas and gather information. Alright, so now we're at the most fun part of the process. creating the actual design using Midjourney. If you haven't used it before, it's an AI text-to-image generator that turns your words into an image. But before we dive in, let's go over some design elements so we can pick the right words to describe our design. Let's say we're making a design for football lovers. The main focus would be on the football ball or even the player's legs. So when we open Midjourney to generate the design, we can start by typing / and then imagine. From there, we can describe the design we want to make using keywords like football, blowing dust, circular design, cartoon style, retro, vintage, shirt design, and white background. Don't be afraid to try different keywords and be creative because this is what will make your design stand out. Once you've typed in the prompt, Midjourney will create your image. You can make changes to it by again typing in the prompt, and when you're satisfied with the design, you can save it and move on to the next step. The next step is to improve the quality of the design using AI Image Upscaler. This tool takes your generated image and upscales it up to 800% without losing quality. Just click on the Upscale Image Now button and choose the image you want to enhance. When it's done, 3 options will appear: 2x, 4x, and 8x. Choose whatever size you like, but the 4x size is more than enough for a t-shirt design. After upscaling, you'll notice a big difference in the image quality. So if we zoom in to compare, you'll see a massive improvement. Click on Download to save your image and move on to the next step. Now, all that's left is to add the final touches to the design and make it ready to print. Start by removing the background from your generated image and then add the design phrase. If you get stuck in this step, you can get inspiration from your competitors' listings. Use your creativity to create something unique and you'll be ready to start selling your t-shirt design. Now you might be wondering, how do I sell them? Well, if you're on a tight budget, print on demand is a fantastic option. With this business model, you don't have to worry about printing and shipping products to customers as a third-party company handles all that. Keep in mind that the company will take a percentage of your order, which may impact your profit margin, but it's a great way to start. There are numerous websites where you can list and sell print-on-demand products. Selfie, Etsy, Amazon, Zazzle, and Redbubbles are some of the platforms you can use. Most of them have the same process. Upload your design, choose the product type, add product information, and publish. And with millions of people visiting these websites every month, you can fully rely on organic traffic with these platforms. Social media is another excellent way to promote your products. You can post on Facebook, TikTok, or any other platform. There are many creative ways to showcase your products and reach your target audience. Maximizing your results and getting the most out of your designs is key. One way to do this is to use the same design on multiple products. Instead of just putting the design on t-shirts, you can also put it on hoodies, stickers, phone cases, and more. You can even make multiple copies of your design with slight differences, so customers have a variety of options to choose from. Lastly, don't limit yourself to just one website. Post your designs on multiple platforms to increase your chances of making more sales. Experiment and find out which website works best for you. Remember, anything you start is like a small snowball at the top of a mountain. It may start small, but as it rolls over, it will get bigger and bigger. So enjoy the journey, gain experience, and don't give up. If you want to learn how to promote your products effectively on social media and catch up with new trends, then let us know in the comments below, and we will create a step-by-step guide for it. Don't forget to show us some love by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to AI Money Magnets so you never miss out on the latest AI innovations. We're always here to help you make the most out of AI technology, so stay tuned for our next video. See you soon.